Choosing the best Westpac account as a student comes down to understanding the features that matter most: low fees, easy access, strong security, and tools that support student budgeting. Westpac Student Account lineup is designed to make banking simple and affordable while giving you full control over your money from day one. Westpac typically offers students a transaction account with no monthly account keeping fees as long as you meet the student eligibility requirements. This alone helps you save a consistent amount every year, keeping your banking costs at zero. The account supports unlimited electronic transactions, allowing you to send money, receive transfers, and make purchases without worrying about extra charges. Everyday payments are fast and smooth with Pay ID, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay compatibility. International students benefit from the ability to open a Westpac account online before arriving in the country. This means your banking setup is ready the moment you land, giving you immediate access to your funds. The bank's wide ATM network across cities and campuses also ensures quick, fee-free withdrawals. The Westpac app adds real value with real-time spending insights, instant notifications, card-free ATM access, and full control features such as card lock, limit adjustments, and merchant blocking. Young adults managing their first budget can track spending categories and set savings goals directly inside the app without needing extra tools. Customer support is available in-branch, online, or over the phone, offering students flexibility depending on their schedule. Westpac also provides fraud detection technology that monitors unusual activity, keeping your money safe around the clock. Overall, the Westpac Student Account delivers a combination of zero fees, strong digital tools, and simple access that fits both local and international students looking for reliable everyday banking. This makes it one of the strongest student-friendly options for managing money confidently throughout your studies.